Hello friends, today's topic 15 stocks with the highest returns in the Indian market history. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Indian markets have been one of the best wealth creators in the world. Sensex index on an average has given 15 to 16% per annum over 45 years. Similarly, Nifty index has given around 12 to 13% over the last 25 to 30 years. Of course, individual stocks are given and continue to give high returns than the indices. Mr. Sumit Mehrotra, who is a business anchor in a news channel, has compiled a list of Indian stocks which have given highest historical returns since IPO. The information is very interesting. Stocks with the highest returns since IPO. Number 1, Eicher Motors, percentage return since IPO 3,95,138%. To Infosys 2,36,401%. 3 Samvardhana Motherson 1,72,582%. 4 BEL 1,31,818%. 5 Shree Cements 1,19,408%. 6 JBM Auto 1,14,463%. 7 SRF 1,08,538%. 8 Raj Industries 1,06,890%. 9 Havels 87,875%. 10 Sun Pharma 82,213%. 11 Divi's Lab percent return since IPO 78,594%. 12 Titan Company 68,136%. 13 Blue Star 64,723%. 14 Shriram Finance 58,045%. 15 Apollo Hospital 57,693%. Many of these companies have been performing well for more than 20 to 25 years but still continue to do well. It is a big myth among many investors that a company which has performed well cannot perform well in the future. In fact, there is a higher probability of a good company which has done well in the past to continue to do well in the future too, compared to some unknown companies to suddenly perform well. This statistics is extremely interesting since it shows the power of compounding in stock market. Even if you don't know much about stock market, you should learn or take advice in selecting good mutual funds to benefit from the long-term growth of Indian stocks. If you don't create wealth from stocks, you need to blame yourself. Of course, knowledge and developing the right mindset is most important to be successful in stock markets. It is not as easy as it looks. Investors realize this after some time. Learn to manage your money so that it take care of you in the future. If you neglect and don't take care of it, you will not feel happy when you realize that you don't have sufficient money to fund your financial goals in life. After spending money for a comfortable life, you must invest the remaining amount for your short-term and long-term goals in life. End of the video, here is a question. Which stocks in this list do you currently hold in your portfolio? Type the name and names in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.